Hi everyone, I am Sarina Panta and today I'll show you how to transcribe your video or audio file using Reduct. Start by choosing the language of a file. English is by default, but you can get it transcribed in 90 plus languages. Then upload your video or audio to Reduct. You can also import it from the web by just copy pasting its link. Okay, so once uploaded, Reduct's AI will start transcribing your video and audio almost instantly. This transcript is auto-synced with your video or audio file. You can start making highlights, adding tags, and commenting. You can also edit the transcript by selecting the parts and clicking on this button. After making all the necessary changes, download your transcript by just clicking this button over here or share it via your link. And that's it. With Reduct, you can quickly transcribe large volume of audio and video, so make sure to give it a go. Thank you so much for watching.